separate copy for QBasic. Okay. Okay, many students are joining late. Yes, Lakshay, what you want to say, you can type it. Okay, today we will learn in Excel sorting and filtering. What do you mean by sorting? Anybody who wants to give answer, what do you mean by sorting? We all do the sorting. In our daily life also, we do the sorting. What do you mean by sorting? Don't go for the definition in the book. Just give me the simple answer. What do you mean by sorting? What do you do when I ask you to sort the data, or when I ask you to sort the records? What do you do that? Arranging things. Very good. Anything else? Arranging things. It's okay. Very good. We arrange the things. We sort the things. Anybody else? What do you mean by sorting? Okay, Jasleen.
Putting things into groups according to different criterias.
Okay, good. Yes, Rishti.
Unlike our file assets, we would like to sort out the files into various groups.
Okay. Okay, sorting means arranging the data, things. In computer, we are having data. Things we use the data keyword, data term, arranging the data either in ascending or descending order. Like for example, you are having a record of your students in the class. So we sort the record according to roll number wise. We usually make the list roll number wise. That means we had sorted the records roll number wise in ascending order. Or if we want to make a list of our students alphabetically, so alphabetically again, we are arranging the names according to the alphabets from A to Z or Z to A. Sorry. Arranging data in ascending or descending order, whether in numerically or whether alphabetically, either in ascending or descending order. So underline the definition in your books. Underline the definition in your books with the pencil. Sorting means arranging the data either in ascending or descending order. Now, how to sort the data? There are two methods or two tabs that you can use in Excel to sort the data. One is Home tab. Second is Data tab. In the books, you are given the commands by using the Data tab. In the Data tab, we will find the option Sort and Filter Group. In this Sort and Filter Group, you will find ascending, descending, that is a sort largest to smallest or sort smallest to largest. Two options are there. And one sort button is there. Okay? दोनों में difference है. When we are having only one single column, when we are having only one single, suppose मेरे पास सिर्फ एक ही single column है, I want to arrange the data here. I can select it, go to the Data tab, Sort and Filter Group, ascending, sort largest to smallest or sort smallest to largest. Click here, it will sort the data. Okay? Second method is you can use the Sort and Home tab, Sort and Filter Group. It's not happening. Sort and Filter Group, choose the sort option, select the column name on the basis of which you want to sort the record, total, or match 4 की score according to match 1 score, or name of the player, whatever column you want to have, select the cell values, select the smallest to largest or largest to smallest. Click here and click on OK. Okay, all the records will be sorted again. And if you want to go back to the original thing, you want to go back to the things that are according to the roll number wise, so you can do that also. Now again sort the record according to roll number wise. I want to sort the record according to serial number, smallest to largest. Now see again 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see. Anji, yes, Guneet.
मैम मेरा ना नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम थी, क्लास एंड हो रही थी, आप फिर से बता दो सॉर्ट वाला।
ओके, सॉर्टिंग के लिए बेटा कुछ नहीं करना है, आपको सिर्फ डाटा को सेलेक्ट करना है and you can go to the data tab, sort and filter group, sort option. Choose the column name on the basis of which you want to sort the record. Suppose I'm taking average score, smallest to largest or largest to smallest. One important thing here, you can see a checkbox is there, my data has headers. If your selection is having the header row selected, like serial number, name of player, match 1, match 2, अगर आपकी header row selected है तो keep this box checked, इसको uncheck नहीं करना है, otherwise it will take the heading row as a data. So it is my data has headers. Click on OK. Now it will sort the records according to this average score, total score and average score. 24, 27, 37, 46. You can see it is in ascending order, increasing order. Okay, and if you are not having this header row selected, then you can deselect that option. I'm going to sort it again according to roll number wise, sorry, serial number. Now I'm selecting the data without header row. Okay, without header row. Now if I go to the sort option, you can see my data doesn't have header. मेरे पास header row मैंने select नहीं करी है, so it will give you the column names. It will not give you the headings. जो हमारे पास field names हैं, column headings हैं, it will not display. It will give you the column name on the basis of which column you want to sort the records. So you must know the column. See, ठीक है? Clear? हाँ जी, is it clear? Sorting clear है? Underline the command. Underline the command or write it in your rough copies. Data tab, sort and filter group, sort option. Data tab, sort and filter group, sort option. Then select the column on which you want to apply sorting. Select the order. Select the order of sorting and click on OK. Clear? And second command, home tab, it is not given in book because sort option is available in home tab also. So write down home tab. In home tab also you are having editing group. Home tab, editing group, sort and filter option. Custom sort. Sort and filter, again custom sort. Here. Home tab, editing group, sort and filter option. And sort and filter option के आगे है custom sort. So 4 options will be there. Arrow डाल के home tab, sort and filter group, sort and filter, editing group, sort and filter option. Again arrow डाल के custom sort. In custom sort, you will find the same dialog box. Here you will select the column names on which you want to sort, do the sorting. Then you can select the order. Clear? Noted? Note down हो गया सबका? Okay. Next is your filter option. Filter option. What does the filter option will do? Filter option will hide the unwanted data temporarily. It will allow you to work only with the selected data. Yes, Arshia, you want to say something?
Ma'am, please repeat the first type of command for sorting.
Data tab, which is given in book page number 39. Data tab, sort and filter group, sort option.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Now filter. Filter means filter will allow you to work only with the selected data. कि मुझे मेरे पास बहुत सारे records है, suppose 100 records are there, and I want to work only with the, or I want to see only the particular type of record. मुझे सिर्फ एक कुछ records देखने हैं, सारे records नहीं देखने हैं. So it will hide the records temporarily, जो unwanted है, जो मुझे नहीं चाहिए. Suppose आपके पास students का result है. I want आपने सारे subjects के marks लिख दिए, English, Math, Science, Social. Okay, then you want to see only those records who are having marks greater than 90. So I can work with the filters, I can apply the filters and view the records only those who are having marks greater than 90. Similarly, I'm having this total score. ये मेरे पास total score दिया हुआ है. I want to view the records. I want to see the players who had scored greater than 250. So I can have the particular condition to filter the records. Okay. So how we will apply this? I hope screen is visible to all clearly. Okay. ज़्यादा zoom की ज़रूरत तो नहीं है. Is it visible now? Okay. Now select the field names to use the filter. Select the field names on which you want to apply the filter. जिस पे आपको filter apply करना है. Then again data tab, sort and filter group, filter option. Okay, or you can have the advanced filter option. Two options are there: auto filter, advanced filter. Auto filter, filter tab is यहाँ पे filter का एक symbol आ रहा है आपके पास. सारे columns में एक filter का symbol लग गया. I can click here. ठीक है, then I can choose कि which values I want to see. Here all the values are selected. I can select the particular value that I want to see. I can deselect it mythic, or I can go to the number filter. Number filter equals to, does not equal to, greater than or equal to, less than, between, top 10, above average, below average. I can select, suppose I'm giving the simple criteria, total score greater than 250. Click on OK. Okay, total score 250 से greater than किसी की नहीं है. It is not displaying. Remove filter, you can remove it also so that I can see all the records. Go to the advanced filter option then. Filter option is also available in home tab again, editing group, filter option. Choose the filter, number filter, greater than, less than, whatever. Suppose I'm giving less than 250. Click on OK. It will display the records of those students, those players who are having those score less than 250. ठीक है, ये देखो 250 वाले आ रहे हैं. Okay, ये सारे आ रहे हैं. I can select the particular value from here. I want to see the records of only who are having score 290. Click on OK. It will show me the records of those. Whatever values I will select, it will show me those records. I can select all. can go to what any other. Suppose repeated values are there. I can go to the filter option. I can want to see only 85 players who had scored 85. I can deselect the other values. It will show me the records of 85. Or you can specify the condition by using the advanced filter. I had just done, why it is not this? See, 250 greater than equal to 250. Now it is displaying. Is it visible? Yes. Is it visible? Clear है? ये देखो क्या किया? Click here. Number filter less than. I'm giving less than 200. Click on OK. It will show you the records of those players who had scored. Total score is less than 200. Now is it okay? Okay. Again, number filter between. I want to see the records between equal to greater than equal to 200 and less than equal to 300. Okay. Now 200 between 200 and 300. Now is it okay? Clear है? Drishti, Vineet, Jasleen? Clear? Yes? Okay. You can remove the filter, clear filter from total score. It will clear the filter and display all the records. Okay? You do not need to type the symbol. The thing which I was doing previously, I was typing the symbols greater than and equal to. Suppose equals to, I'm saying 292. I do not need to type the symbol here. So it is displaying me the record of only 292. I can remove the filter or I can apply new filter. Less than or equal to. So it will display me the records of those who had less than score 150. Clear? Similarly, I can remove the filter, clear filter, and we can also remove the filters. ये जो आपके पास arrows आ रहे हैं, that I can remove again by clicking on this filter option. So again, two commands are there. Two types of filters are there. One is auto filter, second is advanced filter. First, filtering means working with selective data. Underline the definition. Working with selective range of cells, it helps to hide the unwanted data temporarily. Beneath, underline the definition. Then, two types of filters, auto filter and advanced filter. Then commands, data tab, sort and filter group, filter option. Data tab, sort and filter group, filter option. Filters are applied. I can select it and I can choose it. Okay. Then I can have the advanced. Second command is again home tab, editing group. This you have to write. Home tab. ये command book में नहीं दी हुई है. Write it. Home tab, editing group, sort and filter option. Again filter. Again here four options are there. Home tab, arrow डाल के sort and editing group, sort and filter option, filter.
मैम सॉर्ट ऑप्शन क्या करती है?
सॉर्ट ऑप्शन सॉर्टिंग करती है. अभी हमने करा था बेटा. फिल्टर से पहले हमने सॉर्टिंग करी है ना. अरेंजिंग द डाटा इन असेंडिंग और डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. ठीक है, sort option will sort the data. Okay. हाँ जी, अगर ये दोनों फीचर्स क्लियर हैं, then I will move to the next. Yes, Jalash.
मैम एडवांस फिल्टर ऑटो फिल्टर में क्या फर्क है?
बेटा ऑटो फिल्टर में आपके पास देखो यहाँ पे ऑटोमेटिकली यहाँ पे फिल्टर ऐड हो गए हैं। आपने यहाँ एरो पे क्लिक करके आपने फिल्टर ऑप्शन अप्लाई करनी है, राइट। एडवांस्ड फिल्टर में आपके पास डायलॉग बॉक्स आ रहा है और क्राइटेरिया रेंज आ रही है कि किस लिस्ट रेंज क्या है आपकी, किस लिस्ट में आपने वैल्यूज को फिल्टर करना है, देन क्राइटेरिया क्या है, किस क्राइटेरिया के बेस पे आपके डाटा को फिल्टर करना है। तो आपको यहाँ पे वो अलग से डिफाइन करना पड़ता है। लाइक मैंने यहाँ 58.4 कर दिया, ओके, क्लिक ऑन ओके, तो इट विल फिल्टर द रिकॉर्ड्स अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट। मुझे यहाँ पे रेंज सेलेक्ट करनी पड़ेगी, देन इट विल गिव मी द फिल्टर। आपको यहाँ पे फिल्टर करने के लिए यहाँ पे सेलेक्ट करना है डाटा को, देन क्राइटेरिया रेंज बतानी है, देन क्लिक ऑन ओके। मोस्टली फिल्टर ऑप्शन इज इजी टू डू टू सेलेक्ट द डाटा, टू सी द apply the conditions or criteria. Okay. You can remove the filter again by clicking on filter option. Anji, any other query? Any other question? Okay. Next is आपके पास एक दिया हुआ goal seek feature. Before doing the goal seek feature, I'm going to tell you one more important feature as we are having only a few minutes left. That is a conditional formatting. It is not given in book, but it is very useful feature. Conditional formatting. Conditional formatting means normally we do the formatting by changing the color or font size or fill color, background cell का fill color change करते हैं to apply that formatting applies to all the cells. ठीक है? But sometimes it happens I want to format the cells according to some condition कि मैं data अभी enter किया या नहीं किया. It doesn't matter. You just select the range of cells, specify the condition कि ये कंडीशन अगर स्पेसिफाई करेगी, ये कंडीशन अगर मैच करेगी, तो मेरे सेल का कलर या मेरे फॉन्ट का कलर ये होना चाहिए. तो whenever you type the data, it will automatically format or change the color. Let's see. Suppose I'm having these cells. I want to highlight those cells who are having score greater than 100. मुझे उनके स्कोर जिनकी 100 से ज्यादा है, सेंचुरी है, I want to highlight those cells. I want to give separate color so that I can watch them, I can view them easily. ठीक है, what I will do, home tab, styles of group, conditional formatting. Home tab, styles group, conditional formatting, highlight cell rules. Highlight cell rules में greater than, I'm saying greater than 100, and with light red fill and dark red, no, I'm saying it should be green. Click on OK. Now जहां पर 100 स्कोर से ज्यादा है आपका फॉन्ट का कलर चेंज हो गया, फिल कलर चेंज हो गया. Similarly, I want to highlight those cells who are having score less than 20. Less than 20. I type the value here. Okay, light red and dark red. I can give it. Then I can choose the custom format also. अगर मुझे इसके अलावा कुछ और करना है color. Click here. Now you can see. Now, is it visible? देखो, ऑटोमेटिकली जहां पर स्कोर मैच कर रही है क्राइटेरिया को, आपका कंडीशनल फॉर्मेटिंग से आपका कलर चेंज हो रहा है. सपोज हियर आई एम गोइंग टू चेंज द स्कोर 120. Automatically that will be green. If I am changing the score here 15, it will change the color. तो ऑटोमेटिकली जैसे आपके पास हमारे स्टूडेंट का रिकॉर्ड है, आई वांट टू सी द रिकॉर्ड्स ऑफ दोस स्टूडेंट्स हु गॉट मार्क्स लेस देन 20. आई कैन हाईलाइट दोस स्टूडेंट्स. आई कैन अगेन specify other criteria, other conditionals also. Specify suppose I'm selecting it, conditional formatting, highlight cell rules. I'm saying between records. I'm saying suppose जिनकी score 50 और 100 के बीच में है. I want to highlight those with yellow. Okay, now you can see. So automatically I will easily read the data कि yes, जिनके cells yellow आ रहे हैं, that means इनकी score 50 और 100 के बीच में है. Green वाले जो cells आ रहे हैं उनकी score 100 से ज्यादा है, और जिनकी red cells हैं, they are having less than 20 score. Clear? हाँ जी, is it clear to all of you? Conditional formatting clear है? We will do conditional formatting again tomorrow also. वहाँ पर भी एक दो features और हैं. I will tell you that also, and we will do the goal seek feature also tomorrow in the tomorrow class. Okay? Okay. Thank you.